So I'm out this afternoon in the Willoway Greenhouse, and I just wanted to give you another peek at all this color. And you know, the guys are gearing up, getting ready to ship next week, so be sure to get with the sales team and get those orders set up for next week. So right off the bat, look at this color, guys. Just panning here, and I'll show you some close-ups later on in the video, but just tons of gorgeous hanging baskets are ready to go out. Here we're looking at Dusty Miller, Ageratum. Beautiful Impatience. I mean, you know, we seen these earlier on the video that I shot, and these are nice full flats. They're just budded. They're going to look great on displays. Here we're looking at some quart petunias, and again, these are big, beautiful quarts here. Here we're looking at the color on flats of zinnias. I mean, wow, nice assortment here of color. Again, these are all just budded, starting to open up. Nice. Here we have bud and bloom and marigolds. Several varieties are ready to go here. Again, nice color. Here we're looking at flats. These are begonias, and we have green leaf and bronze leaf here, loaded with color. Here we have the Dracaena spikes, and these are great for mixed combinations, and they're looking good. There's just so many really nice quarts, and I just thought I'd show you. This is Pentas, and I believe this is Fuchsia. And you can see, look how nice and full that is. Good looking plant, loaded with flower bud. Be sure to check out the quarts. Here we have Griffith and Patience. This is the Begonia Big Series in the 17 centimeters. Very nice. Here we're looking at dahlias. Again, these are 17 centimeters. Look at the beautiful plants here, and they're full of buds. And again, perfect time to get these in. Great looking color. And there's so many quarts to show you. This will be too long a video, but I just wanted to show you here. I just picked up another quart. This one is a petunia. Look at that full plant. Here I'm in the quart geraniums, and again, I'm just pulling a few of these out to show you. Very nice full plant, loaded with buds. Here we give you a peek at some of the palms. Here we're looking at some nice nice full plants here, man. These are just lush in foliage, looking fantastic. Probably going to butcher this name, but this is Tebuchina. And again, you can see here, nice full plants, loaded with buds. Here we're looking at some of the figs that are ready to go, and they just went on current inventory to ship. Now again, a lot of the stuff is sold, so if you got orders, you definitely want to get them in for next week here, because these are gorgeous. So here's just a quick glimpse at some petunia flats, and again, I hate to be a broken record here, but you can see beautiful full flats, and the bud set on them is really nice, looking good. Here we have salvia and ageratum. These are up in our boomerang system, but I think you can see those Boston ferns are big, heavy, full baskets. Look at the color on these baskets, guys. So here I'm in the house with a partial quantity. We got quite a bit more of these tomatoes. I just wanted to give you an overall look. You know, we're starting to ship these next week, and you can see how nice and full they are. Mandevilla crop's looking sensational. Here we're looking at the pinks and reds, all the way up to the trellis there, looking good. Here's a peek at the white ones. You know, the white ones always are a little bit further ahead, and they got a little bit bigger leaf. So again, these are really nice mandevillas. Well, I think you can see these 10-inch pots. You know, we put them up in our boomerang system to get them up on the air, but you know, we'll bring those down. You can see they're gorgeous though. Look at all that color. Here we're looking at the quart mandevillas. Next, we've seen these on the dock this week is Sis's vine. And holy smokes, I mean, look at the value in that plant. Here's another great color plant that we see a lot of on the dock this week, and this is Brugmansia. Well, you think you can see that deep, rich burgundy color. These are Insetis. Next up here, we have Musabaju, or banana, and you know, these things are wonderful in containers on their own. Beautiful patio plants. Musabaju. Look at that foliage. I mean, all our collocation and allocation now are on, and we're starting to ship them. Looking good. Next up is the Musa Rojo. I mean, I really like this one. That nice blotching to the foliage adds a lot of interest. Here I'm on a block of court lantanas, and I mean, these are just picture perfect plants, guys. Here I'm coming up to a block of court sun patience, and I just pulled one of them out to show you how nice and full they are. They got buds down in there. They're going to open up and look fantastic. Sun patience, quartz. So you can see all the grasses up in the boomerang system, and the guys pulled one down just as an example. This one is Pennisetum vertigo. Here we're looking at our indoor program. These are indoor ferns and other plants. Again, these are hitting inventory for shipping next week. You can see here, very nice plants. Indoor plants are very hot on the market, and you certainly want to get these in the lots and on your shelves, because I think they're going to sell fast for you. So I'm here, I'm just going to lift one of these non-stop begonias to show you. Very nice. Just going to show you a few of the benches, you know, our kitchen herbs. You know, we have these gorgeous herbs here, and you know, these are shipping very fast, so you definitely want to get your orders in, get them on a truck. You can see here just trays and trays of those gorgeous herbs, and you know, gardening's hot. People are going to want to get out and get their gardens planted and plant those patios up for the kitchen gardens. Beautiful plants here. Here we're looking at several varieties of strawberries, and man, they're budded up, and you know, I always say when you see flower, fruit's not far behind. Well, I just showed you that small block of tomatoes up there. Now you can see the full crop here is coming on. Very nice. I mean, holy smokes, these are beautiful plants, guys. Closer look again at those tomatoes. I mean, you can see they're up. That's a 24-inch stake, you know, and most of these varieties are like tipping 15 to 18 inches high. Some of them are to the end of the stake. You see the flower buds on them. If you want to get a head start on gardening, I mean, this is the way to do it. Trying to sneak around the boom here to show you the peppers. There's several varieties of peppers here that they're starting to go on. Again, these are great looking plants, big beefy plants. They're already starting to bud. You can get a jump start. Again, I can't show you everything in a short video, but here we're looking at the eggplant. Holy smokes. So here I'm just going to span through. We see all the beautiful colors on the heuchera, heucherilla, and I mean, you would be surprised. It looks like a lot of plants here, but you know, a couple good weeks and this crop will be out of here, and we'll be into another one. So you know, we got some great looking plants. I'm just going to zoom down here just for one variety to show you how nice and big and full they are. This one happens to be Carmel, but again, we got a huge assortment of these big, beautiful heucheras. Here we're looking at Ligularia bottle rocket, you know, and this one, Ligularia, is a great plant, but this is a great time to get them because, you know, they get that tall flower spike in them, and these are filling out by the day, and huge leaves, and you know, these are going to look amazing. So we've seen the cannas on the dock video, and I'm just going to show you the block, how nice they are. You can see we're starting to ship out of these, so they're going to start going quickly. And they're loaded with flower buds. They're just tipping out here. I'll show you. You know, so again, that's when you want to get them. They're going to color up nicely at your lot. So you can see how quickly these cannas are going out, and some of them are starting to show some color here. Again, I would put these on your orders for next week. We're looking at a couple varieties of kale, which is very popular right now for home gardens, and also Swiss chard. Well, this is the afternoon, and they're starting to sneak ahead to plant for tomorrow morning's trucks, and you can see the great color on these racks. Here's just a few of the baskets that they're staging here. I think you've seen them on the last video, and you know, we got plenty of them. These are just a few on the cart here for samplings for me. I'll just kind of swing through here. Again, great color and size on these baskets, guys. Look at these beautiful plants. So I'm just going to span through the succulents. You know, we've got a great selection of succulents that are on the inventory for shipping next week. You can see they're all full, beautiful plants. Look at those gorgeous Echovera. I mean, that's one of my favorites. They just do so well, even in the landscape. They're nice accent plants, but these are easy care for the patio container. I'm just going to span here again. It's going to be hard to show you these quarter lines, but if you watch the dock video that came out Tuesday afternoon, you can see a close-up of these. These are big, beautiful plants. A lot of nice color. Check out the liriope that just is starting to stage here for orders. Very nice. This is silvery sunproof. Here we're looking at Dracaenias. We have some of the eggplants, these gorgeous dahlias and quartz. I'm just going to pan here. It doesn't take very long, man. They're filling these racks up, getting ready for tomorrow. You can see all those begonias that we looked at earlier in flats. They're going out. Here's the succulents. Very nice. So there is autumn brilliance fern. I mean, that's hard to beat. Man, that thing's beautiful. And here we're looking at Jap painted burgundy lace. Then down here we have the Bernera Jack Frost. Again, so many great looking ferns coming out for shipment right now. Here comes another run. Look at all the digitalis. I told you that was going to be a popular one this week. Here we go, loading the trucks up. Well, you can see here the guys are getting loads ready to go out on the truck and to the dock tomorrow. So check out those digitalis. I mean, you know, we've seen those on the dock. I mean, look at these beautiful plants, guys. Well, that's a quick walk through the greenhouse this afternoon. I just wanted to get out here and give you a quick color update. You can see, again, all these 10-inch baskets, hanging baskets, quart, flatted annuals. So many good, colorful plants ready for you for next week. Be sure to get with our sales team.